We will quickly go over how to install cPGuard on an AlmaLinux server. This measure was taken after reports that a client's IP was performing scans on an external server, even though Immunify 360 was installed. This video is not sponsored by OpsShield, but aims to be objective after multiple observations across various servers. After installing cPGuard, the average load across all servers dropped by a factor of 10 or more, and we experienced a significant reduction in attacks and downtimes, unlike Immunify 360. I'm not trying to undermine Immunify 360, but I fully recommend cPGuard. Unfortunately, Immunify 360 appears to be more popular due to its partnership with cPanel. cPGuard works seamlessly with CSF, and NitroHost has already shared a video on how to install it. I won't go over that again, but I will include the link in the description. cPGuard offers a 30-day trial, which is what we will use in this video. I will also share the link to the installation documentation in the description. The installation is almost entirely done with a single command. You can see with me that Immunify 360 was indeed installed on the server, yet the client still had numerous issues. The configuration of cPGuard is extremely simple. Since it is cloud-based, it stops many threats before they reach the server, greatly reducing overload. As mentioned, this video is not sponsored. It is an observation after installations on about 10 servers. If you need advice or server maintenance, visit oneserver.fr.